Hi, it's Paul from HEYNER UK. Today I'm going to show you how to fit wiper blades on this popular Vauxhall Corsa. That's model 2020, so it's Corsa F. This car takes wiper blade size 24 on driver side and 16 on passenger side. First I'm going to remove wiper blades from the arm. It's very simple. You just need to press this button and push wiper blade off wiper arm. You're going to use the cloth to make sure the windscreen is safe. Now I'm going to take out the 24-inch wiper blade. We're going to fit HEYNER HYBRID. These wiper blades use the protection covers from the blade, so make sure you take that off. We've got top lock adapter to fit those wipers. Yeah, we're going to fit the adapter on the blade. Please make sure the HEYNER logo is on the one side, it's visible from the inside of the vehicle. That's the correct way to fit it. Now I'm going to fit the top lock adapter on the wiper blade. So now it's ready to fit on the wiper arm. We just need to slide the wiper blade on. Yeah, so we've got one side ready. Okay, we're going to do the same on the other side. So again, we press the button and take the wiper blade off. The cloth underneath. Okay. Adapter, again, HEYNER logo visible from the inside. Yeah. And job done. Enjoy your new wipers. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and like the video. Thank you.